Hello everybody, thank you for watching our new Stencil-Tech video upload. On this video we're going to be showing you a walkthrough of one of our recent projects. So we've done a beautiful stencil texture skinned installation with a imprinted concrete feature area that we've cut into 1 meter by 1 meter squares. So I hope this video gives you a good insight onto what the system's all about and the beautiful effects that can be created. This section of the video really does show the versatility of the stencil system. By using textured rollers or texture skins, you can create beautiful textures on the surface of stencil concrete, which gives a very natural look while still keeping the grouted paving effect. Thank you for watching our video. Remember, for more content and for more information on our products and systems, be sure to subscribe to our channel and visit our website www.stencil-tech.co.uk. Thank you.